In Indian history, Indian national movement 1885 to 1905, last video we have seen the factors promoting the growth of nationalism, the reason for the growth of nationalism, early political association, and the Indian National Congress we have seen. In this video, we are going to see the second part of that is moderate nationalism, about moderate nationalism and the methods of moderate, main demands of moderates, and the achievements of the moderate that we are going to see. The leading figures during the first phase of national movement were A.O. Hume, W.C. Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Nauroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, Badruddin Taibaji, Justice Ranade, and G. Subramani Iyer are the leading figures during the first phase of national movement. Surendranath Banerjee was called Indian Burke. He firmly opposed the partition of Bengal. Surendranath Banerjee founded Indian Association in 1876 to agitate political reforms. Surendranath Banerjee convened Indian National Congress in the year 1883, which merged with the Indian National Congress in the year 1886. So he conducted the Indian National Conference in 1883, that is merged with the Indian National Congress. Conference is merged with the Congress in the year 1886. So up to this, the points about Surendranath Banerjee. So he firmly agitated the partition of Bengal. He founded the Indian Association in the year 1876 for the political reforms, and Indian National Conference merged with Indian National Congress. About Surendranath Banerjee. The next one is G. Subramani Iyer preached nationalism through Madras Mahajana Sabha. G. Subramani Iyer preached nationalism through Madras Mahajana Sabha. He also founded the Hindu Svedesa papers. He also founded the Hindu and Svedesa Mithiran. Dadabhai Nauroji, known for a grand old man of India. He is regarded as Indian unofficial ambassador in England. And the Dadabhai Nauroji was the first Indian to become British House of Commons. The next one is Gopalakrishna Gokhale was regarded as the political guru of Gandhi. Who is political guru of Gandhi? Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Gopalakrishna Gokhale founded the Servants of India Society to train Indians to dedicate their lives for the cause of the country. So these are all the moderate nationalism about certain leaders, the points given. The next one is, for a few years, Congress enjoyed the patron of the British administrators. Between the year 1885 to 1905, Congress leaders were moderates. The moderate had faith in their British justice and goodwill. They were called moderate because they adopted the peaceful constitutional means to achieve their demands. Main demands of moderate. What are the demands of the moderate fighters? Expansion and reform of legislative councils. Greater opportunity for India in the higher post by holding ICS examinations simultaneously both in England and India. And next one is separation of the judiciary from the executive. More power for the local bodies. Reduction of land revenue and protection of peasants from the unjust landlords. Abolition of the sales salt tax and sugar duty. Reduction of spending on army. Freedom of speech and expression and freedom for association. So these are all the main demands of moderate. Again, you can see expansion and reform of legislative council, greater opportunities for Indians in higher post by holding ICS examination simultaneously in England and India, separation of the judiciary from the executive, more power for the local bodies, reduction of land revenue and protection of peasants from the unjust lords, abolition of salt tax and sugar duty, reduction of spending on army, freedom of speech and expression, and freedom to form associations. These are all the main demands of moderates. Methods of moderate. The moderate total faith in the British sense of justice and fair play. So moderate who had faith in British sense of justice and fair play. They are very loyal to the British people. They looked to England for the inspiration and guidance. Moderates, the methods of fights of moderates were they used petitions, resolutions, meeting, leaflets, pamphlets, memorandum and delegations to present their demand. Moderates confined their political activities to the educated class only. Moderates' aim was to obtain political rights and self-government stage by stage. That is the style of moderate for the freedom to achieve freedom. In the beginning, British government welcomed the birth of the Indian National Congress. In 1886, Government General Lord Dufferin gave a tea party to the Congress members of the Calcutta. The next one is the government official has also attended the Congress sessions. On the time passes, the demands of the National Congress, the government became unfriendly. It encouraged the Muslims to stay away from the Congress. So they only demand the Congress granted by British was expansion of the Legislative Council of the Indian Council Act 1892. They only demand the Congress granted by the British was the expansion of the Legislative Council of Indian Council Act 1892. The next one is achievements of the moderate. How the moderate achieved certain aspiration. The achievements of the moderate. The moderates were able to create wide national awakening among the people. They popularized by their methodology of fighting. They popularized ideas of democracy, civil liberties, and representative institutions. Moderates explained how British were exploiting Indians, particularly Dadabhai Naoroji in his famous book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. He wrote about trade theory. It showed how India's wealth going away to London in the form of salaries, savings, pension, payment to British troops in India, profits of the British companies. In fact, British government was forced to appoint Welbeck Commission with Dadabhai as the first Indian to its member to inquire into the matter. The next one is some moderates like Ranade Gokhale favored social reforms. They protested against child marriage and widowhood. The moderate had succeeded in getting expansion of the Legislative Council by the Indian Council Act of 1892. Here also the point is mentioned. The moderate has succeeded in getting expansion of the legislative councils by the Indian Council Act. The moderate had succeeded. So that's all about the moderates. Subscribe for more. Thank you.